Adapter for level indicator. This article can be defined as innovative for all containers that have a dispensing system on their lower part by means of a spigot independent of their capacity. This innovative system provides the following advantages. One, low cost compared to others. 2, able to be applied to all spigot types and available with different threading options. 3, fits on all containers, technical, open, and closed. 4, fits on all containers regardless of their capacity. 5, fits on our old containers. And 6, easy to install without the need of qualified staff.